everybody, Googly and Treasures here. It is now 1:12 a.m. on Friday, December 21st, 2018. We're getting ready to take apart this red Dirt Devil. Dirt Devil Featherlite bagged. Ooh, bagged upright. So, it is not Featherlite. They lied. It's not Featherlite. Look at that. If it was Featherlite, I'd be able to pick it up on my thumb. No, it's not Featherlite. Oh my Lord. Okay, so somebody already got the cord on this one. You saw me pick this up, I believe. I just now dug it out of my car so that I could take it apart. Alright, so let's get to this, okay? Alright, I only have like 43% of my battery left. I got it plugged in, but the charger's not working quite right. And so now that I did all that, I do not know if... there we go. If it's gonna last, so we'll see, okay? Let's get to it. Ooh, not Featherlite at all. Oops, I forgot to put that piece of aluminum in the car. Okay, so now here we go. Got ourselves a Phillips screwdriver. I don't know what you guys can see and what you can't. I don't know where to put this at. Right there, huh? Wow. Way out here. That's okay. Alright, and I think I've been looking at the wrong thing on there. Alright, let's see here. How does this come off? Looks like it twists on and off. Oh. I think this was on upside down or something. No, maybe not. But definitely did not seem like it went on that one because it's got this funky hose thing on here. Yeah, it's like that long hose thing. Yeah. Maybe that's for the other section part. Okay, that actually just come off. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna lay it down here. So we're gonna work on this. This. Can you see what I'm doing? Yeah, pretty much. Okay. Okay with that. Get my little plastic holder thing. PVC pipe end cap. And we're just taking apart a Dirt Devil. That's supposed to be Featherlite, but it's not. Hopefully it won't take me long to get this apart. Ooh, the tool holder. Yeah, well, let's set that aside. Okay. Got that in the car. Another toolbar holder. I don't know, somebody might break these and they might want to replace them for it. I don't know if I'm going to go that far or not. I really don't. I'm not saving the screws for that, that's for certain. But I can clean that nastiness up. Looks like mildew to me. Alright. So, right now, I'm getting apart another screw here for another attachment like the cord holder. I just gotta remember what it's for if I ever decide to sell that. Alright, so not seeing any more screws. hard either. Well. Alright, got the handle off. Nothing special about that, just all plastic. It's in my new to me trash can. Important, to maintain performance, check your belt and change paper bag often. Paper bag, y'all. That's what it had. Alright, the screws are already gone off the bottom here, where the belt goes. All of them are gone. 1, 2, 3, it looks like 3 screws were here at one time. All 3 are missing. There's 2 more or 1 more. Well, at least 1 more. I'm going to try to get that one off right now. Oh, nope, 2 more. Come on, I'll get the screw lined up. There we go. Screwdriver lined up, not the screw. On this light here, we help out. There we go. Look at that. Okay. Fit is too big. That's one of yours long and skinny. I'm gonna get these screws out of here. Went from one hole to another hole. There we go. Okay, should have helped me, but does not seem like it did help me. Get this big one back out again. Gotta pop that off. Ooh, okay, well, those screws off. Good. I do like these metal bars, really nice and solid. Don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I'm trying to save some now. Okay, let's see what else we can get off here. Not wanting to come off here. This, no. Yes, no. No. Come on. I know you want to come on. There we go. Getting it, y'all. Okay, so I'm trying to talk more. I think more people want to hear people talk when we're doing the videos. I still don't know the answer quite to that. Whoops. There's some like little plastic clips here that are really strong. Ooh, okay. Might have to use pliers. Hold that and pull it off. Ooh, coming off. Okay, there's one side. There's 2. So now we got that off. That held the belt on and the feeder bar. Okay. Yep. I might have thrown it away because the belt is broken. Okay. Alright. So this beater bar here looks like it has some, I think, cast aluminum here on both ends. I'm going to try to get that off. Ooh, like that. I was going to say it's hard to get off, but it just came off. Alright, I think, however, this part here is sticking to the magnet. So I'm going to have to get that off somehow. Not certain how. But yeah, for right now, if I could just get these off, I'm going to do that. Ooh. Okay, one side came off easy. Oh, there we go. Voila. So now we got two of those. Voila. I really think that's cast aluminum this side. And these things, here's the little turny things, are sticking to the magnet. So the rest of that looks empty. Plastic stuff. I don't know. It looks like there's some kind of metal in there. See it? Looks like brass. Can you see that? I don't know. I have to check that out. Okay. So it seems like it's in there pretty tight. Trying to use an old fashioned ice pick to get it out. It's not working, and I really don't want to stab my hand trying to do this. That little hole there is not really catching, and I don't want to bend up the ice pick or break it. So I think I'll try something else. I don't know what. Okay. I've decided to try to see if I can't use a screw to screw into the hole and then pull it out. So we'll do that. Let's see here. Where's my screwdriver? There it is. Right here. Guess you can see me doing this. This should grip onto the whole part, hopefully. Hi! I don't know if it's going in or not. Oh, Lord. Okay, let's try that. It's supposed to be quiet, y'all. Alright, so that's in. Let's see if we can pull that off somehow. Alright, went back and got these heavy duty pliers. Try to bend that up at an angle maybe. Look it out. Maybe not. Don't think it's working, y'all. I think I bent the screw. Yep, I bent the screw already. Wow, why can't it just work? It's not working, y'all. Alright. Yeah. Oh, it is working. It is. There we go. Whoa. Some other... those little metal pieces that I think is brass fell out. Might not be brass. We're going to test it with the magnet right now. Okay. See? Can you see it in my hand? Hold on. Alright. There's my hand. There's the piece I think is brass. And here comes the magnet. Oh, no. It's stuck to the magnet, so it's not brass after all. Let's see if we can focus in on that. There you go, right there. It's not brass. It was kind of yellowish like brass, but it's not brass. It sticks to the magnet. Oh well, another piece of metal sticks to the magnet. So, got 2 of those on that side, 2 on this side. Might as well work them out. Be nice if my magnet was strong enough to just suck it right out of there, but no, not happening. Not with that one, not with that one, and not with that one. Alright. Alright, so we'll try that again. Get the screw out of here. It's too bad I bent the screw up trying to do that. Yep, it's seen better days now. Alright, let's try to do this side here. Oh, it's harder to screw in because it's bent. That's okay. We'll go into our recycling pile now. No longer usable for anything else. This side here does not seem to be working like the other one did. Just seems to be coming out without. Come on. Does not want to work out like the other one. Try to screw it back in there some more. Try to see if it can't work that one out. It's being difficult, y'all. Come on. Getting tired here. Definitely not working out like the other one. It's just wallowing out the hole there instead. But the screw is definitely bending some more, as you see here, I guess. See that? Oh, here it comes finally. Oh, here we go, and I just lost those little pieces. Oh, I see it. There's the one. Well, the other one is kind of stuck in here. I gotta get that out. Probably gonna give me a hard time like it already has been. Okay, let's see here. Try to use that screw to pluck it out. Well, pliers, maybe? Yeah. Yeah, so difficult. Might not that close. Gonna say it might not come out at all, but it did. Alright, so got that. Uh-oh. I misplaced the other 2. Man. I don't know where I put them at. Alright, so there's no additional bar in there, metal bar that I can see. Just all this hard plastic stuff. So we'll go ahead and throw all this stuff in the trash. Put our bent up screw in our trash pile to the recycle trash pile. Oh, I found one of them. So that's 3. Missing one more. Don't know where it went to. Oh, it went underneath the microwave. Oh, another one on the floor. Okay. The 4th piece. Yes. Got it. Okay. Okay. So, I'm looking to see if I see any more screws. I don't at this time. There's this metal piece. Ooh, that one. Ouch. Okay, let's see here. the other end of the house. I'm on one side, they're on the other. So hopefully they can't hear what I'm doing here. It is giving me a hard time now, for real. Okay, I got part of it up. Reaching in with heavy duty pliers to try to get it out the rest of the way. Oh, I broke it off. Broke off, y'all. That's not good. I could potentially cut myself on this booger. Let's see here. Okay, I got that out with the screwdriver, but now it's fell down in another piece. Oh, okay, I'll get that out later then. Alright, I'm trying to figure out what else is holding this together. Currently not seeing anything whatsoever on this side. So it's time to flip it over, and I wish that would just pop out, but it's not doing so. Ooh, okay. I might need to close this piece up. It's moving now. Okay, now an earbud fell out of it. Throw that away. Alright, I found some more screws. Take those out. If that would just lay down further, I could get the screw out a lot easier. Again, I'm not using electrical tools because it's late at night or early in the morning. Hopefully they didn't hear that. Oh, that is a long screw. Ah, quicker. Come on, and you want to come out. Wow. And it's sticking on. There we go, the lung screw. I don't know, I might could use that one for my project. I'll keep that one. Try to get this other screw out here. I actually could use some of these shorter ones for my, what do you call them? The L brackets to hold my fingers, so we'll keep those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got 6 so far. I'm sure I've already put some in my recycling container. Alright, this screw does not seem to want to come out anymore. It's not really turning too much. It's at a weird angle. Come on. Let me see if there's something that's hanging up on. I can't tell what it is. Maybe. Come on. project. I could do that, might not be. I don't know. Bigger. Alright, there's the light cover. Get that away. More than likely, I'll probably wind up throwing those away. And got the light bulb, it's all dusty. It looks like it's a good one still, so I'll keep that. There's other things that take these kind of light bulbs. So I'll keep that. Looks good. Just clean some of the dust off of there. Yeah, it looks pretty good still. Yeah. Okay. We got the foil tape in it for the light bulb so it doesn't burn the thing up. Alright. I'm trying to find any more screws. There seems like there might be one over here. But right now I don't see how I'm going to get that unless I can get this piece here off. Ow, that hurt. It's the spring. It got my finger. It is off. Difficult here. Okay, let's try to get this bag out. Well, ew, look at all that. Can you see that? There, now you can. Yuck. Let me get y'all closer to that. Let's see here. Looks like fur and stuff. Maybe it's just grass and fur. I don't see any bones in there, so I guess it's not a dead mouse. That's good. Alright, let's put you back up here without turning you off preferably. Alright, are you there? You're there. Okay, hold on. Oh, I gotta refocus you. Oh, there you go. Focused. Alright, gotta dump that all over the floor. Just dump it into the trash can. Alright. So there is a piece of metal here that's springy action for that. Don't know if I can get that off quietly, but we'll try. It's supposed to come off. Ouch, like that. Ouch. That was not quiet at all. Top of all that, it didn't even achieve what I wanted to achieve. I didn't get that out of that hole yet. You know what? Let me try. these mega pliers here. Heavy duty pliers. If I can get that piece off right there, it should come off. About to knock the whole thing on the floor here. My hands are sore. What's that? I must have lost that the other day, didn't even know it. It's a magnet. I think I put it there and forgot about it. Alright, put it back. Alright, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. I think. Maybe not. Still not loose. Oh, bugger. Why? Alright, that bugger is on there good. Okay, so what is that one? Number 5. Number 5 is about to fall off of there. The bag looks like it was wet, but I don't know if it got wet in the rain or anything. I just don't know. It's not full. It's only... Let me see if I can get this off so I can show you guys. Yeah. Don't know how it shows on. Do not know. Snap on. Well, how does that go on? Okay, there we go. Wow. It's only that full. It's not even very full. Look at that. Whoop. Just that much of it's full. Huh. Oh, it does have a hole in it. Yes, it does. Yeah. I guess we could pour it out in here and see what might be in there. Any goodies? Nasty. Okay. Yeah. I don't know. Take the screwdriver and dig through it. Can you see me? No. Okay. Alright. We're trying to dig through this right now. Could be many in here. Probably not. Yeah, apparently not. Alright, just dirt. Plastic. No money. No metal. Yeah. Oh, there's some butter all over the table already. Okay, so now we are back to this piece because I was wanting that piece of metal out there. This is not being quiet at all. So I probably should give this up until later. But I don't wanna. Come on. I could just crack that off. It's cracking a little bit. Yes. Success. For that piece of metal. It's a piece of tin, but it's going to add to my tin pile that I already got going. All adds up, people. All that adds up. that's a nasty filter, charcoal filter piece. Now, not so much. I'm going to use one of these for the fry back to keep the dust from coming out. I might use a pile of them actually. Oh, and remember this paint roller? I took it apart in front of you guys. Tonight I found a broom. It's a really nasty handle, but it has no end on it. Ooh, but here you go. My trash picking tool. Put it together for you guys. Here you go. Now I should be able to reach into some dumpsters with that. Ooh, if I don't break it. Look at that. Look at that long thing on there. Yep. I was going to get that washer off, but maybe not. Don't know. It's on there for now. Yep, got it going on. You guys see it? I'm putting it in the car. I have flippy shoes. Okay, let's get back to this thing. This thing here. Oh. That's just an extra piece of plastic. I held the filter in. Still trying to figure out how to get the rest of this apart. Okay. Hopefully I don't want to snap out of there. I'm sure it does not seem to want to do so. Alright, let's see here. Alright. I'm going to have to do something here. Oh, that piece is still rattling around in there. Alright, there must be more screws I'm not seeing. Aha, right here. Right there, you can't see. Okay. Right there. Boom. Hidden screw. Alright, I think there's one other screw besides that one. So I'll put you back here. Yeah, at the 39-minute mark. Okay. Alright, you can kind of see what I'm doing. Okay, screwdriver. Got a weird angle again. And this one's still coming out easier than the other one did, I think. Could be wrong. Sometimes you gotta use a standard screwdriver to kind of help get it out. It's coming now. Oops. This plastic here does not help. Okay, there we go. No, it's stuck in there. Both that somehow. Get it out. Ouch. There we go. Got it. Alright. So now, that was holding on. Don't know. Alright, I'll lay that down. Looking for screws. I don't see any again on this side. Let me flip it over. Okay, got that. And here's a screw right here. that screw. Alright, seems like it should just come apart now, but for some reason it still is not coming apart. Aha! Found a unique screw here, y'all. Ooh, sugar. I think that in. Alright, here we go. Look at that. Look at that screw there. Unique screw, huh? Alright, ooh. Ooh, do not fall. Alright, I'll put you guys back up here. Okay. I guess that's good. Stubborn ones. It seems loose, but when you try to get it out, it's like hanging on by a screw thread. Ugh. Oh. So yeah, it looks like it was kind of stripped. You see that? Okay. Come on. Right there. Alright, sorry, I'm trying to get it to focus, y'all. Oh, there you go. Now, let's see if we can't bring it in. See? Stripped out, so somebody definitely messed with that. Good thing I had a standard screwdriver piece on there so I could get that out. And what's going in the scrap bin? Hi-yo. Alright. Alright, got that piece off, finally. Still had my other trash bag I was working on there. So, are there any more screws here? Not there. What's holding this together now? Okay, don't know. Thought I got all the screws off. Must be a hidden screw somewhere. Let's see here. Maybe not. Okay. I'm looking hard, y'all. I know there's got to be some more screws here somewhere since it's not coming out yet. That's off. These are all off. It looks like there's a screw under here, underneath this red piece here. But how do you get that off? I gotta get that off somehow. That's what's holding this piece on for certain. If this would just come apart since I've already got, I think, all the screws on. Maybe not. Maybe I just think I do. Must be one of those I just think I do and I don't. That's out. that's out and that's out. Got these screws I can see on this side. Alright, that's the piece I dropped in there earlier. That screws out, that screws out, that screws out, these two screws are out. That screw is out. I don't see any more screw holes, y'all. Alright, I guess I will try to get this rubber piece off here. I don't know if that's going to help me any, but maybe. Rubber booger thing. Alright. Ow, my finger. Put it on my own middle finger. There might be a screw hidden underneath this rubber grip thing. Okay, maybe not. Until we get it off. I'm currently uploading my video on my way home from last night up onto YouTube. Uploading really slowly. I'm trying to record this one on the same one. Oh gosh. Okay, getting it. There we go. There we go. I gotta wash my clothes anyhow, so. On that side, get up. There, we got that off. Of course, I don't see any screws. No screws. Alrighty then. Got to be hiding someplace. Right. There's that metal piece that broke off earlier. Finally fell out. It seems like this should just come off, but for some reason it was stuck on there right there. I do not see a screw at all. Where else to look at now? There's two there, one there, one there, and then inside. And behold, I don't know what's going on. Kind of clips on one of those plastic clip things. Trickery at the vacuum. Piece of plastic broke off. Now this side, okay. Getting it. Oh man, I thought I had it there. Let's just hold it somewhere. Got it. Woo. That almost beat me. Alright, so I'm going to show you what happened here. These are little clips that was holding it together on both sides and right here. So there was like, it looks like 3 of those that was holding that on. So now that we got into the middle part here, this motor thing is trying to come apart. Nope, I got 2 screws there and 3 screws here, it looks like. Go ahead and get this apart. I might need that screw for my project. Okay, I'll hold on to it. going to be holding on my L brackets again. I'm not talking that loud because I don't want to wake up my household. Hopefully they can't hear me out here. There's an additional garage that was added on later, so it doesn't connect into the original roof line, it just connects to it on the outside. That's pretty nasty. Looks like they sucked up something with it. Okay. We are getting it. Ooh. Haha. That is like the piece that I really needed right there. Might be too big though. Definitely keeping that. Whoops. Alright, I'll push it off here. Then there's like, I guess it's made that way. Like a little chunk missing out of there. It's made that way. Looks like it. Might be missing a little piece there. But I think it might work on my other vacuum. Alright, I keep saving different pieces. I haven't tried any of them yet. One of them is bound to work better than what I got. But what I got is working pretty good so far, so I don't know. That's pretty tiny. I don't know. I'm sure I got screws I could use that I don't need these, but I'm just going to hold on to these anyhow. Ooh, my leg is hurting.